Hello and welcome to cropstop.com. The purpose of this presentation is to show you how to use your Cuttlebug dies in a Sizzix machine. The most important thing to remember is to have your Sizzix system converter attached to your Sizzix machine, and that's the only converter you need in order to cut Cuttlebug dies with your Sizzix machine. Just simply place your cardstock onto your cutting mat, your Cuttlebug on top, and use your machine as usual. You'll get some nice clean cuts, and this is a 2x2 Cuttlebug die. It will also cut a 3x3 Cuttlebug die, and again the cardstock onto the cutting mat and use the machine in the usual way. Remember, sometimes with some of the bigger dies you may want to move the die around a touch just to make sure you cover it all. And again, this is the squares. We used a complicated die on purpose just to show you the precision of the cuts. And as you can see, every single one cut out. You can also use it for your alphabet bars, which are the 2x6 dies, and they also come in shapes. So you've got a 2x6 die. Now you will definitely have to move this through and cut it in sections. So simply make a cut, push it through, and use your machine as usual. Again, you'll get some nice clean cuts, and this opens you up to the world of Cuttlebug dies. And again, you'll see some nice clean cuts coming out. This is actually attached, this is a die that is part of a set. When you buy the Cuttlebug dies, you get some shape dies included. So on this one you've got the word hi, and some flowers, and a tag. You can also use the Sizzix machine to do your embossing folders from Cuttlebug. We'll do a large A2 Cuttlebug embossing folder. This one has the shape of divine swirls, and we're hoping you're going to be able to see the print come out, but you'll see how easy it is to use. Again, nothing needed except that Sizzix system converter. Cuttlebug do an array of fantastic styles for the embossing folders that you can go on to chalk. And we're not sure if you can see that, but there is a nice pattern coming out on that piece of A2 card for the A2 embossing folder. Then Cuttlebug also do sets of 4, and they're small embossing folders. And again, exactly the same, just placing your embossing folder underneath the system converter and using your Sizzix machine as usual. And again, that's probably a little bit clearer for you, but that is embossed. So thank you very much for watching this presentation. We've done a number of presentations on how to use your various dies in your Sizzix machine, and we look forward to seeing you in one of our other presentations.